In this video, I'll show you how to access ChatGPT 4 for free. First, here's the important update. If you're specifically searching for ChatGPT 4 or GPT-4 inside ChatGPT, OpenAI's current help center says GPT 4.0 and GPT 4.1 have been retired from ChatGPT, and those older GPT 4 era models are no longer available in ChatGPT. OpenAI also says the free tier now gives users access to newer models instead, with usage limits. So the simple answer is this. You can still use ChatGPT for free, but not by unlocking GPT-4 specifically inside ChatGPT anymore. According to OpenAI's free tier FAQ, free users currently get limited access to GPT 5.2 in ChatGPT. That means the official free method is just to use the normal free ChatGPT plan, not a hack, bypass, or special trick. To do that, go to ChatGPT and sign in with your account. Or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're inside, you can start chatting right away using the free plan. OpenAI says the free tier includes access to ChatGPT with message limits, and those limits apply within a rolling time window. So if you ever hit the limit, you may need to wait for it to reset or upgrade to a paid plan for higher usage. Now, this is where many people get confused. A lot of older videos and blog posts still talk about how to get GPT-4 for free, but that information is outdated. OpenAI's current pages make it clear that ChatGPT has moved on to newer models, and GPT-4 era models have already been removed from the current ChatGPT lineup. So today, the better way to think about it is not how do I unlock GPT-4 for free, but how do I use ChatGPT for free with the model OpenAI currently provides on the free plan. OpenAI also says free users can access some extra ChatGPT features with limits, including GPTs and certain advanced tools, depending on capacity and usage caps. That means the free version is still useful for writing, brainstorming, answering questions, and many everyday tasks, even without a paid subscription. If you want more messages, more consistent access, or higher usage limits, then you'd look at a paid plan like ChatGPT Plus. But if your goal is simply to use ChatGPT without paying, the official free tier is the correct option. OpenAI's Help Center says Plus is a subscription for expanded access, while the free tier remains available at no cost. So the safest and most accurate answer is this. You can use ChatGPT for free, but GPT-4 itself is no longer the model you access inside ChatGPT. Just open ChatGPT, sign in to the free plan, and use the current free tier model that OpenAI provides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.